So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video I will discuss the exception that occurred in previous video, that divide by zero exception. So here in this case, if we think that this particular code can throw us an exception, then we need a functionality which will check that yes, this particular code will throw an exception or not, and if it throw an exception, that then we should notify our user that your input is invalid. So here in this case we have to put our code in our try block, which will try our code that if it throws an exception or not. So let's just say our a is equal to 10, b is equal to 0, and let's just say we have to print our division. Here in except, here in front of except, we have to write our error, that which error our program will throw array, and here in this case it will throw in zero division error. So here if it throws the zero division error, we will print that there is zero division error. And here if I run this program, you can see here in the output our print inside this except block is printed. So what essentially happened is, our code inside the this try block, our try block tried this code, and it got some exception that yes, you cannot divide our this a by b, you cannot divide 10 by 0. And the moment it got this exception, it our except block, our code inside the except block got executed. So this is how try and except work in Python. So here if I change this 0 by 2, and here if I again run the program, our try block will try our code and it will check this yes, there is no exception. So here our print will be executed and 5 will be printed. So this is how you can handle this exception, this divide by 0 exception in Python. If you have any queries or questions regarding this, you can ask me in comments.